Hello, my dear children. Welcome you all to Think Maths. In this session, we are going to discuss about Math Olympiad questions for Class 3. So, this is Part 3. In Part 3, we will discuss about questions 21 to 30. Already in the previous videos, we have discussed questions from 1 to 10 in Part 1 and 11 to 20 in Part 2. So, its link is given in the description. If you are interested, you can check the link. Okay, children? So, let us get into the video. 21st question. A snail can crawl 30 inches in 6 minutes. If the snail crawls at this speed in one direction, how far in inches will it travel in 1 minute? So what is given? In 6 minutes, the snail is traveling 30 inches. The question is, in 1 minute, how many inches it will travel? Okay, children? So 6 minutes 30 inches and it is reducing to 1 minute. Okay. So if it is reducing, what we have to do? We have to divide. Okay. So if it is increasing, it will be multiplication. As it is reducing, we have to divide. So it is 30 divided by 6. So how many times 6 is 30? We know 6 into 5 equal to 30. So it is 5 times. So 30 by 6 is 5. So it is 5 inches. So in 1 minute, the snail will travel 5 inches. So where is 5 inches? So option D is your right answer. Okay, children. So moving on to the 22nd question. Which pair of numbers best completes the equation? So what is the equation? There is a box which we need to fill up into 100 equal to box. So what comes in the box? So there are 4 options. So we have to check one by one. So let us take this option. It is 65. So if I put 65 into 100. So what is 65 into 100? If you multiply by zeros here, put the zeros, number of zeros. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Put 2 zeros. The remaining we have to multiply. So 65 into 1, it is 65. So this is wrong. Okay. So it is 65 and 650. But here it should come 6500. So this is wrong. Now take this one. 10 and 1000. So in the first box it is 10. 10 into what is here? It is 100. So how many zeros are here? 3 zeros. So put 3 zeros and the remaining numbers. 1 into 1 is 1000. So this is right. Okay. Now check 7 and 70. 7 into 100. What is 7 into 100? 7 into 100 makes 700. This is also wrong. 7 into 100 makes 700. It is written as 70. Next, 1 and 101. So 1 into 100. So 1 into 100 is 100. But it is not 101. So this is also wrong. So the option 10 and 1000 are the right option. Because 10 into 100 makes 1000. So this is the only right option. So option B is right. Okay. Moving on to the 23rd question. The figure shown here is made up of two equal rectangles. Find the area of the figure. So there are two rectangles. Okay, X rectangle and Y rectangle. Both are equal in size. So here it is given that this length is 14 centimeter and breadth is 9 centimeter. We have to find the area of both the rectangles. If we find the area of one rectangle, it will be the same for the rectangle X. So what we can do? We can find out the area of rectangle Y. So what is area of rectangle Y? How will you find the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is nothing but L into B. That is length into breadth. Here length is equal to, length is denoted by L. L is equal to 14 centimeter. Breadth. Breadth is equal to 9 centimeter. Okay. So 9 centimeter. So what is the area? Area of, we are going to find out the Y rectangle area. L into B. So it is 14 into 9. How do you multiply? 4 into 9 is 36. So 36 makes, write only the ones place number. So 6, balance is 3. 1 into 9 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So area of y is 126. What about area of x? Both are equal rectangles. So both their areas will be same. So area of x is also 126. So what is the find the area of the figure? We have to find out the area in total. So total will be 126 plus 126. We have to add both 126 and 126. So what is 6 plus 6? 6 plus 6 is 12. So write 2 here and 1 in the top. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. So total area is 252 centimeter square. Okay. So area of the rectangle should be in centimeter square. So where is 252? It is the option C, which is the right answer. Okay. So moving on to the next question, 24. If circle and triangle and this arrow is equal to rupees 420 and circle plus triangle stands for rupees 20, then circle plus triangle plus this arrow plus circle plus triangle equal to question mark. We have to find out this answer. So what is given here? So it is given the circle plus triangle and this arrow makes 420. And what they give? Circle plus triangle stands for 20. So this stands for 20. So it means 20 plus this arrow is equal to 420. So now arrow will be nothing but 420. From we have to get the size of the arrow means you have to take out this 20. So this arrow will be equal to 420 minus 20. What is 420 minus 20? We have to subtract. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So 4. Here nothing means it is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. So its value is 400. That is this arrow stands for rupees 400. Okay. Now we have to find out this. Okay. Now take this circle plus triangle. What is circle plus triangle? It stands for 20. And this arrow is equal to 400. Again plus circle plus triangle. What is circle plus triangle is 20. Now what is its addition? It is 20, 400 and 20. We have to add this. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Here it is only 4. In the other place, if we don't have anything, it is 0. So if you add anything with 0, the number will be the same. So it is 440. So option B is our correct choice. Okay. Moving on to our 25th question. Which shape is made out of 6 squares? So there are so many 3D shapes. So this is nothing but cylinder. In cylinder, we don't have squares. Okay. So this is nothing but sphere. It is shape of your ball. It is sphere. In sphere, we don't have squares. This is cube. In cube, we have squares. What about this one? This is cuboid. In cuboid, we have rectangle and squares. We need 6 squares. So let us check the cube. In cube, we only have squares. So if we check the cube, so this side. So this side is 1. So back to this is this side. This is 2. And side by side. So side by side is 3, 4. Now up and down. So this is 5 and on top it is 6. Okay. This 2 is at the back. So this is back and this is front. Okay. So how many squares are there? So cube is made up of 6 squares. So option B is our right choice. So cube is made up of 6 squares. Okay children. I hope you can understand. So moving on to a 26th question. Mansi can make 4 paper cranes in 3 minutes. how many paper cranes can she make in 1 hour? So 1 hour makes how many minutes, children? Do you all know? Yes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour makes 60 minutes. Here what is given? 4 paper cranes in 3 minutes. Now we have to divide 60 minutes in groups of 3. How many groups can make 60 minutes? So that is number of groups of 3 minutes in 60 minutes, which is nothing but 60 by 3. That is, we have to divide 60 into groups. In each group, it should be 3 minutes. So that means we have to divide 60 by 3. How much 60 by 3? So 60 3. So 3 twos are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Bring this 0 down. So it will be 0 into 3 is 0. So it is 20. So 60 by 3 is 20 minutes. Okay. So 60 minutes can be divided into 20 groups. In each group there will be 3 minutes. Now what is the question? How many paper cranes can she make in 1 hour? So in 1 hour it is 60 minutes. 60 minutes can be grouped into 20 minutes. In each minute we will have 3. So it is 20 into 4, which is equal to 80. So in 1 hour she can make 80 paper cranes. Okay, children? As she makes 3 minutes, 4 paper cranes. So 60 minutes can be grouped into 20. So in 3 minutes, if she makes 4 paper cranes in 20, so it is 20 into 4, which can be 80 paper cranes. Okay, children? So moving on to the next question, 27. Mandy had 9 rubber bands. She lost 1 by 3 of her rubber bands. She bought another 10 rubber bands. How many rubber bands did she have in the end? So what is given? Mandy. Mandy had 9 rubber bands. 9 rubber bands. What happened next? She lost. See, she lost 1/3 of her rubber bands. So 1 by 3 into 9. So this is nothing but 1 into 9, 9 divided by 3. What is 9 by 3? So it is how many times 3 is 9? So 3 into 3 is 9. So answer is 3. So how much she lost? She lost 3 rubber bands. As she lost 3 number bands, how many will be left? Total she had 9. She lost 3. So 9 minus 3, it is 6. So the left is 6 rubber bands. Next, how much she bought? She bought another 10 rubber bands. So now in totally how much she would have? It is nothing but 10 plus 6. 10 and 6 is 16. So now she will have 16 rubber bands in the end. Okay, children? So at last she had 16 rubber bands. Okay? I hope you can understand. So moving on to the 28th question. The perimeter of a triangle is 30 centimeter. What is the length of PQ? So there is a triangle PQR. It is perimeter is 30. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means we have to add all the 3 sides of the triangle. So perimeter is nothing but perimeter of triangle equal to, you have to add all the sides. What are the sides? PQ plus next is QR plus RP. So these are the 3 sides of the triangle. What is its answer? Answer is 30. So perimeter of triangle equal to 30. So 30 equal to, what is PQ? We don't know. So PQ we don't know. What is QR? QR is 15 plus what is RP? RP is 8. So it is PQ. What is 15 plus 8? 15 plus 8 is 23. 15 plus 8 is 23. So now what makes PQ? We can write in this way. PQ plus 23 equal to 30. Just I changed this. Okay. So PQ plus 23 is 30. Then what is PQ? PQ is nothing but 30 minus 23. What will happen? This plus, when it goes to other side, it will become minus. 30 minus 23. What is 30 minus 23? It is 7. So PQ is equal to 7 centimeter. So option A is the right choice. So moving on to the 29th question. The bar graph below shows the number of students who belong at a school. How many more students belong to the math club than to the social club? So it is how many more students belong to the math club. So in math club, how many students are there? So this is called the bar diagram. Okay. So this is bar graph. So here at the end, it belongs to 12. This is computer club. In computer club, how many students are there? 12. In science club, there are 8 students. In maths club, there are 14 students. In social club, there are 6 students. So what is the question? How many more students belong to the math club than to the social club? Now let us find number of students in math club. Number of students in math club. How many students are there in math club? Number of students in math club. So this is math club. And how many students? It is 14. So in math club we have 14 students. In the same way, number of students in social club. How many students are there in social club? Can you find out? So where is social club? So this is social club. This is the end. How many students are there? 6. So there are 6 students. So how many more in math club than social club means we have to subtract 14 minus 6. More means addition, but they are asking in social club there are 6. In math club there are 14. So there are more students in math club than social club. So how many extra in math club? So that means you have to subtract 14 minus 6. So what is 14 minus 6? It is 8. So there are 8 students more in math club than social club. So option C is our right choice. Okay. Moving on to our last question. Shelian wants to change her 10 rupees note by 50 paise coins. How many coins will she get? So you know 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. How do you write 100 paise in 50 paise coins? 100 paise is nothing but 2 into 50 paise. Okay, and because 50 plus 50 equal to 100. So 250 paise coins makes 100 paise. 100 paise is nothing but 1 rupee. So 1 rupee is nothing but 250 paise coins. We need 50 paise coins. How many rupees note is there? 10 rupees. So there are 10 rupees. 10 rupees is nothing but 1 into 10. In the same way, what we have to do? We have to multiply this 2 into 10. Okay. So 2 into 10, which is 50 paise coins. Okay. 10 rupees is nothing but 1 into 10. We have 1 rupee. How do you convert into 10 rupee? You have to multiply by 10. So if you multiply by 10 on both sides, so 1 into 10 makes 10 rupees. So 10 rupees equal to 2 into 10, which is 50 paise coin. So option B is our right choice. Okay, children. I hope you can understand all the problems. If you have any suggestions, you can comment me. Okay, children. So also don't forget to subscribe and like, share among your friends. Okay, children. Thank you. Bye-bye.